Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by assessing the rip. Locate its ends, note thickness, and decide if repair or replacement is best. Once done, clean the area with isopropyl or mild soap and dry thoroughly so adhesive can bond. Sand lightly to remove gloss. This increases mechanical grip. Make sure to trim jagged bits with scissors for a neat edge. You should also mask around the repair to protect surfaces and lay out adhesive, patch material, clamps, and safety gear before proceeding. You now apply adhesive to both the torn edges and the patch backing, using a thin, even coat so it wets both surfaces. That's how it bonds chemically and mechanically. Once the glue becomes tacky for the product's specified open time, align the patch and press from center outward to expel air and ensure full contact. You should use a roller or flat squeegee to remove bubbles. After positioning, clamp or tape the repair so pressure is uniform, while the adhesive you finish by trimming any overhanging patch and sanding edges smooth to prevent catching. Then apply a thin bead of flexible sealant if the part needs waterproofing. Once sealed, allow the full cure time specified. Don't rush with heat or load because premature stress weakens the bond. After curing, test gently under normal conditions and then progressively increase load. If separation appears, re-clean and re-glue the edges. Use a larger patch or consider replacement. Those fixes address common failure modes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.